If you are a lazy man out there, you better get in here. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan City. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so glad you're here. All right, we are based in Ibadan, we are based in Abuja, two different locations doing the same thing. Okay, so in today's video I'm just going to be addressing a issue: how to make your joystick last long, how to make your joystick stay active. Guys, if you are part of this category that you cannot knack well, your waist is always paining you, you are always feeling stressed, and perhaps you think your hormones are not working well, okay, and that has result to your joystick not active, your joystick not working well, your joystick not knocking well. I mean, what's that? Women does not like weak men. I'm always telling you this. What is the essence of having ammo and you cannot use it well? What is that? All right, if you fall into this category of men, make sure you grab your popcorn and let's get right into it. All right, so before I dive in, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, most importantly, and make sure to share this video. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you different things that actually affect your libido as a man. All right, number one is stress. If you are stressed, your joystick won't be able to knock well. All right, stress actually kill every action in you as a man. Even as a woman, stress is not a good thing. Okay, stress can contribute to the factor of your joystick not being active or not working well, or not even, not even standing at all. All right, so number two is if you have a lot of sugar in your body, like bro, if now sweet you dey eat or carbohydrate all the time, you go eat rice in the morning, eba in the afternoon, fufu in the night, bro, you are killing yourself, because all this food are carbohydrate, and the end of carbohydrate is sugar. Though it gives energy, no doubt about that, but end of carbohydrate food, it's sugar. You don't really need so much carbohydrate in your body as a man, because the end result is sugar. All right, so if you have a lot of sugar in your body, bro, you are killing your joystick bit by bit. All right, so you just have to watch what you eat, your intake. All right, so that is why I have a product for you. I have a product for you if you are battling with back pain, if you are battling with JD. All right, you have too much sugar in your system and it is perhaps affecting your joystick, bro, you better grab this fast so that you can be able to knock well, so that your trophy won't go to any other. Because see, so that you can hold your trophy with your shoulder high like this. Okay, own your trophy. Okay, don't let any man help you, because see, we women if you cannot knock well, we know how to do mago. Women know how to do mago. Find helper for you and you will not know. All right, you will not know. So it is better to be a king that you are. All right, so for those of you who know how to eat sugar, control your intake. All right, what you eat also contribute to the fact of the activeness of your joystick, if you understand what I mean. So if you are battling with weak joystick and you want to improve your status, you want to take yourself to the other level, see, I have a product for you. This product is Pano. All right, Pano. It will wash out all the yama in your body and also make you stay very, very active, and also make your joystick stay very, very active. You won't understand what I mean except you use this product. All right, except you use this product. If you are a man out there and you cannot knock well, all you complain about is waist pain, back pain, I'm stressed, oh, I'm not in mood, what again, what's your excuse? See, bro, you don't have excuse again. Just holler the number you are seeing on the screen right now and let me help you. Let me help your ministry. Let me help your ministry grow. Oh my God, you won't understand what I'm saying now except you try this product I just showed to you. All right, and if you are a man and your woman is also going through this issue, guys, hey, if your woman is going through this issue, I have a package for her also, and this is it. I don't know if you are seeing it very well. This is our libido booster set. All right, just call me if you know your wife or your partner, your girlfriend is not responding to your calling. All right, and you are in the mood to knock always. You better get in here and send a WhatsApp message to the number you are seeing on the screen right now, so that we can help your ministry. You see, all this libido problem does not come in a day. It is actually a gradual process, and if care is not taken, you will be in mess for the rest of your life, because you won't really know what is going on. A lot of people are going through this ordeal and they cannot even talk out. I have a customer, like, is a pastor and is on a mission to get a side chick, because his wife is always not in the mood. His wife is not always responding, and with that, as a spiritual person, you will be thinking that this person has a spiritual problem. It is not a spiritual problem, it's an hormone thing. So you just have to take care of yourself, and it is a gradual process. If you are not taking care of yourself as a man or as a woman, this libido stuff can actually mess you up as a man. Guys, the combination of this is very, very active. And these are organic products that has zero side effects. Okay, all right, these are natural herbs for human consumption to help you, all right, to help your ministry. If you know what I mean, guys. I don't know. If you don't know, you know, will know forever. If you don't get it, then forget about it. Okay, these are active products you need in your life to improve your libido, to make your joystick stay active, last long, and restore your glory back as a man. If you know what I mean. As a man, if you are a lazy man out there, you better get in here. Call the number you are seeing on the screen right now to order for our products, so that okay, all right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoy watching this video. I hope my information is quite important to you. If so, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and make sure to share this video. All right, make sure to subscribe, guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.